Hi again, Jacqueline from Hang Logic. Now what I want to show is I have two identical canvases, two identical artworks on board, and I want to show you the difference between forward tilt when you use the tilt reducer combined with the frame hanger, the Artiteq frame hanger and the Artiteq tilt reducer. So here, take a look. You can see this first artwork is without the tilt reducer. So you can see that the forward tilt of this is a little more than this artwork, which has the tilt reducer. So how does the tilt reducer work? We've got our frame hanger here. The tilt reducer is screwed directly onto the stretcher, and then the hanging wire is, you slide the hanging wire right behind here, and this then in turn reduces the forward hang. Now these are actually hanging quite forward anyway, and why? Because we've got them at a very low level so that we can show clients that come to our showroom how to use it. So if I was having it hanging up higher, the forward tilt will be far less anyway. But the aim of the game is to show you that the tilt reducer reduces the forward tilt, the forward hang. Thank you.